Hi everyone and welcome to TechCham's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the heating issues on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So this may happen to you as well when you're playing games or watching videos. Maybe your iPhone is on an update, your iPhone gets so hot easily. So if you don't know how to fix that, here we'll show you some ways to do that. So to fix the heating issues, follow some steps that we'll tell you here. The first thing you can do is simply turn off the auto brightness. For that, go to settings. Now in the settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, tap on display and text size. Now here, swipe down and you'll find the option for auto brightness. Simply turn it off. The second thing you can do is simply to change the settings for auto lock. Again, go to settings. Now in the settings app, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here you'll find the option for auto lock. Simply tap on it to continue, and here you can select the duration for the auto lock. It's best to go for 30 seconds, a minute, or maybe 2 minutes, and you remember to not go for the longer period. You can like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, or never. It's better to choose a minute at most. So that's it. The third thing you can do is simply to reduce the screen refresh rate from 120 hertz to 60 hertz. Okay, again, for that, go to settings. Now go to accessibility. Here tap on motion. Now here you'll find the option for limit frame rate. Simply tap on it. So when you do that, it says the maximum frame rate of the display to 60 frames per second, and this may help you to fix the heating issue on your iPhone. So that's it. And the other way is simply to turn off the location services. Again, in the settings app, go to privacy and security. Here you'll find the option for location services. Simply tap on it, and simply make sure to simply turn off the location services. When you do that, it may help you to just fix the heating issue. So that's the for the fifth way. And the other way is simply turn off the background app refresh. Again, in the settings, go to general, then go to background app refresh and tap on background app refresh, and here simply select off, and it will turn off the background app refresh. So that's the sixth way. The seventh way, and the seventh way is simply to reduce motion on your iPhone. Again, for that, go to settings, go to accessibility, tap on motion, and here make simply enable the option for reduce motion. And these are the ways you can fix that, and there are three other ways as well. It may help you to fix the heating issues on your iPhone 14. That is to simply update the software. Sometimes it happens, it is a kind of software issue as well. If maybe your iPhone is getting hot so easily, is because of the iOS update on your iPhone. You need to make sure to update it frequently. So again, for that, go to general, and here tap on software update, and you need to make sure to update your software to the latest version. And again, the other way is simply to restart your iPhone. It will restart it, and it may fix the heating issue. And the last way is simply to reset all settings. For that, you can go to general and go to transfer or reset iPhone, and here tap on reset and select reset all settings and enter your passcode, and this will reset all settings to factory. So this may help you to fix the heating issue. So that's it. These are the ways to fix the heating issues on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.